Hi! Ako ulit po si Ursa and welcome back po sa The Ursa Diaries. May tanong ako sa'yo. What if nakita mo yung post ng kakilala mo, tapos ang caption niya, living my best life. Tapos habang binabasa mo, napangiti ka kasi alam mo yung buong story. Alam mo kung ano yung nangyari, anong mga nangyari, alam mo kung ano yung nasa likod ng post na yon. At ang unang pumasok sa isip mo, gusto mo mag-comment ng I don't think so. Ang tanong, magko-comment ka ba? The temptation to comment, aminin natin, minsan tempting talaga, lalo na kapag alam mong hindi tugma yung nakikita mo sa social media at sa alam mong totoong nangyari. Parang gusto mong sabihin, sure ka? Or living your best life ba talaga? Pero bago mo i-type, kalmahan mo lang. Tanungin mo muna yung sarili mo. Kailangan ko bang sabihin? Ito yung natutunan ko habang tumatanda. Hindi lahat alam mo tungkol sa isang tao. Kailangan mong ipakita na alam mo. Hindi mo kailangan maging fact checker ng buhay ng isang tao. Kung sinabi niyang masaya siya, okay. Kung sinabi niyang living my best life, okay. Maybe she really is. Maybe she's trying to be. Maybe she's convincing herself. Maybe that's simply the version of her life that she wants to show. And honestly, hindi natin kailangan alamin. Kasi social media naman talaga is highlight reel. People post for their vacation, they post the dinner, they post the flowers, they post the new outfit, they post the smiling photos, they post best life ever. Pero hindi natin alam kung ano ang nangyayari pagkatapos nilang pindutin ang post. And that's okay. Hindi naman natin kailangan malaman lahat. Kaya kung may makita kang post na parang hindi tugma sa alam mong reality, let it be. Let's say, alam mo talaga yung buong story o yung totoong story. Alam mo kung ano ang nangyari. Alam mo kung ano ang pinagdaanan. Alam mo ang mga pinaggagawa. At alam mong may ibang side sa story. So, kailangan mo bang mag-comment? Hindi. Because knowing the truth doesn't automatically mean you have to announce it. Silence is not agreement. At ito yung importante. Kapag hindi ka nag-comment, hindi ibig sabihin naniniwala ka. Kapag hindi ka nag-comment, ibig sabihin agree ka. Hindi ibig sabihin wala kang pakialam. Sometimes silent is simply maturity. Alam mo ang alam mo at okay ka doon. Hindi mo kailangan ipagtanggol ang sarili mo. Hindi mo kailangan ilabas ang lahat ng information na hawak mo. At hindi mo kailangan sirain ang image na gusto niyang ipakita. Hayaan mo siya. That's her life. That's her post. And and you have your own life to live. Maybe she's healing too, and here's another perspective. What if yung taong nagsasabing living my best life ay hindi naman talaga pretending? What if she is actually trying to move forward? What if that pose is part of her healing? What if she is trying to remind herself that life can still be good? We don't know, kaya minsan mas mabuting wag tayong manghula because we don't know. We don't know what's happening behind the screen. And hindi lang ito para sa ibang tao, para rin sa atin. Minsan tayo rin yung nagpo-post, I'm okay, new chapter, living my best life, pero deep inside, may mga bagay pa rin tayong inaayos. And that's okay. Healing doesn't always look perfect. You can be healing and still have bad days. You can be moving forward and still miss someone. You can be happy and still have moments of sadness. Hindi naman contradiction yun eh. We're humans. Kaya kung makakita ka ulit ng post na living my best life at alam mong napakaraming bagay sa likod na yon, bago ka mag-comment o bago mo i-comment yung I don't think so, tanungin mo muna yung sarili mo, bakit kailangan kong sabihin? I'm trying to correct them? Am I trying to expose them? Am I trying to prove that I know something they don't want people to know? Or gusto ko lang ba talagang makialam? Because sometimes, that's the reality check we need. Sa totoo lang, mas gusto ko sa ngayon yung peace kaysa sa pagiging tama. Dati baka gusto kong ipaliwanag. Gusto kong patunayan. Gusto kong sabihin, alam ko ang totoong nangyari. Pero ngayon, hindi na. Hindi lahat ng bagay kailangan ko pansinin. Hindi lahat ng bagay kailangan kong sagutin. At hindi lahat ng tao kailangan kong i-correct. Because my peace is more important than winning a comment section. So, magko-comment ba ako ng I don't think so? Probably not. Hindi dahil naniniwala ako. Hindi dahil wala akong alam. Kundi dahil hindi ko na kailangan maging bahagi ng lahat ng bagay. You can know the truth and still choose silence. You can see the post and simply scroll. You can disagree without starting a fight. You can protect your peace without explaining yourself. Kaya sa susunod na makita mo yung living my best life na hashtag at mapaisip kang mag-comment ng I don't think so, take a breath, smile, and maybe scroll. Because sometimes the strongest response is no response at all. At tandaan, hindi porke alam mo ang totoong story, kailangan mong maging narrator. Muli, ako si Ursa, and this is the Ursa Diaries. Kita-kita po tayo ulit sa next diary entry. Tandaan, every ending is the beginning of a new chapter. Bye-bye po!